I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly unsubscribe, subscribe, disable, or delete a single subscriber or multiple subscribers in a subscriber list. So as you can see, I'm logged into the Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go to the very top menu, and I'm going to choose Lists and click the word Lists. I'm going to be working in subscriber list C, and from here I can choose to click the subscriber icon, or I can go to grid view, find subscriber list C, go all the way to the right, and click the subscriber icon. Here's where I have the entire list of subscribers for my subscriber list C. I can do some actions to a single subscriber or multiple subscribers. The way I do that is for a single subscriber, I can check mark that subscriber right here. And now that I've got my user selected, where it says with selected, I click that area and I can choose to subscribe, unsubscribe, disable, or even delete this user. Right now, this person is confirmed, so I'm going to click unsubscribe. And you can see that now that person has an unsubscribed status. Now I can do this to a single user, or I can do it to multiple users. To choose everyone in the list that's showing, I just click the box just above the list, and then with selected, I click on that, and I can choose to disable everyone that was checkmarked. And now you can see that all of my subscribers are disabled. So that's how you can quickly subscribe, unsubscribe, disable, and even delete subscribers, whether you're doing a single subscriber or multiple subscribers inside of your subscriber list in Mailing Boss.